What's going on, lovelies? Good morning. It's your girl, MaddisonJaralee. If you're new here, welcome. I'm basically your thrifting bestie. So today I woke up freaking bright and early. I literally couldn't even talk to you guys. It was too freaking early. I have made it to a church sale. It starts at 6 a.m. I freaking love a early sale, you guys. So I'm here waiting. It seems kind of smaller. So I think I'm gonna be in and out of this one real fast, and then we'll hit the flea market and then maybe even a thrift store. So buckle in because it's gonna be a thrifting day. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I kind of ate that yard sale up. Woo-wee! You guys, when I first rolled up, I was like, damn, this is gonna be a small ass sale. Like, I can't believe I came out here. But the fact that nobody was there and I was able to like open up, I was literally helping them like put clothes on the table. So I was like, oh yeah, no problem. And I was just pulling out all the good pieces. Yee! I spent $23. I got a pair of shoes. I got a mirror. I got maybe 20 items in clothing, and then I got a fat bag of vintage like fabric scraps. Yeah, love that. Hell yeah, let's go ahead and hit it to the flea. Made it to the flea market. It is 7 o'clock. I am about an hour earlier than usual, but it is a freaking holiday, and you guys know what that means. The thrift store is popping. It's not a thrift store. All right, don't lock the car. I silly Billy packed all of I'm taking a load to my reseller after this, and I put all of like his cells in the freaking reusable bags, and yeah, I didn't bring any. So I'm gonna dump everything out that I just bought at that one sale and take my bag back. I got a cute new bag on my birthday. I got the little cherry bag. You guys see that? So cute, huh? I don't know if I'm gonna need my jacket. I'm kind of sweating, but I would hate to be cold. You know what? Screw it. Probably will just pick up a jacket anyways. All right, guys, let's go. I got my little flea market hat. I got my cash in my bag. I think that's all I really need in life. It's busy. It's popping already.
Oh no, they're the white ones.
Oh, the white ones, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are cool. I can't see a size. Is it okay if I try on?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Thank you.
$3.
$3. They're like a size 9 probably. But I think I'm gonna get them. They're dope. Picked up that daddy for $1, you guys. Betsy Johnson. Look at this cute little guy made out of cans. Little can guy's cute. That room divider is kind of nice. I like how it makes a circle. Am I tripping, or have I considered these shoes before? They're kind of nice. I like the brown. I also found these little Adidas. They're cute, no? Oh yeah, that's Uggs. I don't know if I should get this. It's kind of a beat Patricia Nash wallet, but for $1. But do you guys see the shape of it? It's super beat. And then I also found this LL Bean little Duffy. So cute, huh? For $1? Hell yeah. I found some Free People little like platform sandals, but I'm not really in love with like these puffy straps, so I'm gonna leave them. And then I also found these freaking badass Free boots, you guys, but they're kind of gross right here. I don't know what to do about that, but so cute. I was heading out, but now we have all these little vendors in this parking lot, and I'm finding stuff, you guys. You guys, I honestly found a lot of good stuff. Let me show you. You see that? It's a lot of good stuff right there. You guys, that flea market was so good. It was like outside, like where you pay to park. People are paying to set up. So, you know, I took a little looky look. I found these badass silver shoes. I dropped my bag. Badass silver like Puma shoes. I didn't think they were gonna fit. I could have sworn it said it was a freaking size 9, and then I slipped them on. They fit, you guys. Mama found a pair of brand new shoes. And then the last thing I found, freaking $5, but I did it, you guys. If they don't fit me, I'm gonna be kind of upset. But the lady said that her daughter paid $70 at Boot Barn. And I believe her, honestly, because these are like newer Levi's with the extreme little flare. Yeah, that's freaking cute. And then I picked up this baddie for $1, you guys, and it's like a little Betsy Johnson Duffy. I honestly already have a cheetah one, and every time I take it anywhere, people ask to buy it. So I was like, fuck yeah, I'm gonna get this one, because I never wanted to let my cheetah one go. But I started using it, and it seriously started coming off as it was getting heavier and heavier. So kind of a bummer, but whatever. Then I found this little LL Bean little Duffy, just old school. I thought it was so cute with the color in freaking pristine condition. This one was pretty cool, you guys. I honestly found a lot of vintage bags at this guy's vendor too, but he wanted $10 each, and I couldn't do it. But look how cute that is. A little vintage garter belt, and then I just got like a little vintage like Y2K one. I don't know, I was just a sucker for that little purple. And then I think the come up of the day, like this is truly early bird gets the worm, are these like little freaking demonia little baddies. I wish they were my size. They're so freaking cool. I know these are gonna do good on Depop. So yeah, I'll probably give you guys a better haul of the church sale, but let's go ahead and go to the thrift. I brought the light, you guys, but it is dying every time I turn it on, so I'm such a good YouTuber, I tell you what. My shoes. I'm kind of excited for them, you guys. I was kind of like bamboozled at the payout because she did say everything was $2, and these were definitely $5, but that's okay. I showed you guys my Wranglers. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys everything that I got at the church sale because I was shy and they were just like, I was like the only one there, kind of. So I was acting all brand new. But let's get right into it. One of the first come-ups was this little Columbia, like, fleece zip-up. Can't complain. Cannot complain. Nice little work sweater for me. I was super stoked when I found this cute lady. Look how cute that is with the little shoulder ties. I'm a sucker for a shoulder tie. I also found this cutie. I like how it's like shaped like a poncho almost. I really like that. I think it's gonna be nice and cooling for work. I got this little wet seal little front vest. You know, these are always good for Depop. These are kind of a come up, you guys. They're jean shorts, but look at that funkiness. I love that freaking, it's like Western, but like tacky with the cheetah. I don't know. It was so freaking cute. This was a come up. I wish it was a maxi, but it's like a midi. Still cute. Nice little faded black with the little sequins underneath. Yep, pretty good, pretty good. Then I found this cutie. Just another little like bubble top, you know what I'm saying? Nice and comfy poncho. I got this, you guys. I'm pretty sure it was like Shein. What size is it? It's a Shein large, but I like how it had that little drop corset waist for something bridal. I was thinking, why not? $1. I got these little John Deere overalls. So cute. This one, okay, I got this one because I really wanted that blue vintage zip up, but it had the really big like oil stains on it. And then after you guys were like, just slap a patch over it. Should have done it. So I bought this one because I was still thinking about that blue one. But it's just like a little Y2K love pink. You guys, that is gold. Gold. I think all that like Y2K or like pink, like obnoxiously on the booty waistband is gonna come back hard this summer. Another thing I got is these boxer briefs because the girlies are wearing boxers as short. So I got 3 for $1. Can't complain. I found this shirt as well. So 2 little like cute little 90s little tops. And then I got 3 of these Maddie M, like brand new with tags, you guys, from Costco. I recognize it. Little shirts. Got those from my reseller. Like, that's so good. He loves brand new with tags. So got that for him. And then I got this little funky thing. I don't know if it's going to be for the shop or if it's going to be for me, because I just love that it's like a little cardigan with a zip up. Nice and comfy, cute. And then what else did I get? I feel like I got more. Oh, just some like little scarves. I got this little black shirt. It's French Kiss. It's giving like new like Ross, honestly. Look at that. But I thought it was cute. Just for like a little blousey blouse. Yeah, can't complain. And then I got these nylons. I don't know why. I've been like on a nylon kick, I think, but I liked how these were ribbed. They're like navy and they're ribbed, and you guys know I like to add a little texture in my life, so I had to pick it up. I got this to add to the wall. Oh wow, I didn't even like consider it as an option like that. That's kind of cute. Or it can go like that. Cute. And then let me flip that back over here. And then I got these sandals, like little hiking Tevas. These are my size 2, you guys. I'm telling you, I'm getting into like the really like ugly shoe wear. I think they're so cute, so got those. And then last but not least, I got this fat bag, you guys. Trash bag of just the most adorable like vintage scrap fabrics. Like, look at that. That is so cute. So I got the whole bag because you guys know that I like to make the sweaters with like the sayings, like whatever it says on it. So, well, I didn't even know JCPenney sold fabric at one point. But I figured that'd be cute to make like a bunch of shirts, like out of all the cute prints. Yeah, I love that for us. Like, look at the one with the cow. Like, they're really cute fabrics. Oh, I think this is a pillowcase. That's so cute. So yeah, that's what I found. I'm just waiting for the thrift store to open. I don't think I'm gonna bring you guys along because everybody waits for them to open at 9 a.m. and it's like hectic and it's just not fun. So I'm gonna end it here. Thank you so much for coming along and going thrifting with me. Y'all are the best thrifting bud a girl can ask for, and I can't wait to hit it again with you. So yeah, stay safe. Do something good for y'all. Take care of you guys yourself. Eat something good. Just treat yourself this week. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.